The future continuous tense in entomology, one of the key elements in learning English, is understanding how different tenses are used in various contexts. In this tutorial, we will explore the future continuous tense and its usage in the field of entomology. The future continuous tense is used to talk about actions or events that will be in progress at a specific point in the future. In entomology, this tense can be useful when discussing the behavior of insects, their life cycles, and their interactions with the environment. One common example of the future continuous tense in entomology is when researchers are discussing the movement patterns of certain insect species. For instance, a scientist might say, "By this time next year, the butterflies will be migrating to their wintering grounds." In this sentence, the future continuous tense is used to indicate that the action of migrating will be ongoing in the future. Another example is when entomologists are predicting the emergence of a specific insect species. They might say, "In the spring, the beetles will be emerging from the soil to feed on plant roots." Here, the future continuous tense is used to convey the idea that the process of emergence will be happening over a period of time. In entomology, the future continuous tense is also used when discussing the interactions between insects and their environment. For example, a researcher might explain, "As the temperature rises, the caterpillars will be feeding more actively on the leaves of the host plant." This sentence highlights the ongoing nature of the feeding behavior of caterpillars in response to changing environmental conditions. Overall, understanding the future continuous tense is essential for students of entomology, as it allows them to communicate about the dynamic and continuous nature of insect behavior and life cycles. By using this tense correctly, entomologists can effectively convey their observations and predictions about the fascinating world of insects.